Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Realme device to Nokia G10. Firstly, access Play Store on both smartphones and click on the search bar. Then you need to type Send Anywhere and download this free app from this developer. After that, tap on Open. Now you need to choose I accept, confirm, continue and allow. Then go with Receive on Nokia and Send on Realme. After that, click on all of those kind of dots and select Send in order to select all of your data. It will take some time though, so I will click on this one photo, choose Send and tap Got it only for example. Over here you have the ways to connect. You can input this key over here and tap on Receive or scan QR code. In order to scan it, click on this scanning icon on the Nokia. Then click only this time or while using the app and point your camera at the code. Now we need to wait. And as you can see, my picture was successfully transferred. If you want to make sure of it, you can always go into Files, tap on, in my case, Images, and look for Send Anywhere section. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!